Alright, so I'm not really sure what your guys' experience is. Oh, sounds like the wind's blowing. Alright, so I don't know what your guys' experience is about the auto parts, but around here, if you want a starter, you pull the starter off the vehicle, take it into town, order your starter, and then compare it right on the counter before you leave. Otherwise, they'll give you the wrong one. I don't care if it's a water pump, alternator, what it is, you got to have it in your hand when you go in, or just plan on going right back. Well, my nearest auto parts is 22 miles away, and the next one the next one past that is 30 miles away from my house. So the quickest is 22 miles back there and back. That's 44 miles. That's a ways. It's a trip. So you can't afford to just be running around, getting the wrong parts and stuff. So I go to the auto parts and I ask the guy, I need some gaskets, something put on my gaskets, help seal them up, but I'm not looking for rubber silicone stuff. You got anything better, And he says, yeah. He says, well, what you need is the right stuff. And it's like, yep, you're right. That's exactly what I need. Then we do this stare off. And it's kind of uncomfortable looking at him, and pretty soon he's says aisle 5, the B side. So I go down aisle 5, thinking to myself, yeah, I'm still not sure, but yeah, I do need the right stuff. Well, so he follows me finally, and he points this out, the right stuff. Well, heck, if I'd only known, I'd have got this stuff a long time ago. It's obviously the right stuff. So yeah, I just love going to the auto parts. It's always fun. Okay, got all lug nuts off, and it is welded itself, rusted itself on there. I've been beating on it with a 3-pound sledge. Well, she's stuck on there good. 25 years. I guess they've rusted themselves on. I can't get, as you can tell, I can't get no swing here. Alright, there's no room to swing and get a good hit on it, so I guess I'll have to try something else. Alright, so I got my little Redneck Ingenuity going on here. Got the old high lift out. Got me a 4x4. Got it pried up against this tire on that end. And we'll see if I can't jack this thing up and pry these tires off of here. I'm tired of beating on them with a hammer. I have no room to move around in here, so let's see if this works. It should, right? Alright, hopefully I get this on film here. A little Redneck Ingenuity. Once again, we'll see if it works.
Well, that's quite a bit of pressure on that tire. So I don't know, I'll beat on with a hammer. See if I can't get her any better than that. It's a lot of pressure. Okay, so I got some pressure on it. Maybe a couple little love taps here on top. Boy, I don't want to bend that rim. Those rims are not easy to find. Oh well, I'll keep trying. Well, I missed it. I didn't get it on film, but that Ingenuity, Redneck Ingenuity worked. Popped that left-hand tire right off. So, now only got this one to worry about. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that. Alright, maybe it'll work again. I don't know. Okay, maybe I can catch this one popping off. Back to the high lift jack. We'll see if it works. Again. Yep. That's how it's done with the old Redneck Ingenuity. Popped it right off that old high lift jack. Putting pressure on the other side. Got them both off that way. Well, let's see what we got here. See if we can find out what kind of tire we got. We've got, it's a Michelin. It's a Michelin, I can't believe it. 215, 75R, 14. Alright. So, I'm sure it's not going to balance. It's going to balance out, so we'll see.